Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this to create a new project or open any of your project. So you can open any of your project or a blank project. Tap on any one of them. So now you have entered this editing platform. Now in order to add shape, here on the right bottom, just swipe right until you find this option called shape and tap on this shape button. So as you can see, there are many shapes that are available here. You can select any one of them. You can even have shadows of them, and at last tap on the stick button on the top. So now this is how you bring on shape in Picsart. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.